Welcome all of our little friends who join with us on Nenasa TV. From today onwards, we will gather things that happen all around the world to enhance your knowledge. Today we are going to talk about the world's lowest train. This train is known as the Glacier Express. It runs in the Swiss Alps. This train runs at a low speed because it runs on those hills. This train runs through 291 bridges and 91 subways. The train journey is from Matterhorn to Pisburnia. Traveling in this luxury train is most loved by tourists. While traveling in this train, you can see the beautiful situation in the countryside. That is why tourists love to travel on the Glacier Express train. We will join with you on Nenasa TV in another day with more things to share about the world and all around us. Till then, have a nice day and stay safe. I am Kidnali Chanupa Gamage from Leeds International School, Horana.